This conference will now be recorded.
So this was our last class. We're done with our pricing procedure configuration, the entire part of it. We have saved it as well. Like first thing, now we need to basically activate it. We need to basically activate our pricing procedure and we need to work with the testing functionality for that. Now, how are you going to be activating this particular pricing procedure? That is what we need to basically discuss it. Okay. To work with our concept, we have a concept by the name pricing procedure determination for that. We need to work out with this determination, pricing procedure determination. So this is basically to activate pricing procedure. To activate pricing procedure in sales document. How we are going to be activating pricing procedure in sales document. Okay. This pricing procedure determination is nothing but combination of certain parameters put together. We already discussed this one, like the transaction code used is going to be OBKK. OBKK. It's going to be combination of certain parameters, sales area plus document pricing procedure over here, plus customer pricing procedure, plus pricing procedure, plus condition type. Combination of these parameters put together, our pricing procedure is going to be getting activated. Combination of sales area plus document pricing procedure plus customer pricing procedure plus pricing procedure and the condition type. All these parameters put together, pricing procedure is going to be getting activated. Okay. Now, when we talk about this particular sales area, we know what exactly the sales area is all about, what all parameters are going to be used for that. So it's a combination of sales stock, distribution channel, and division. And whereas when we talk about this document pricing procedure, now where do you maintain this particular information? So this document pricing procedure information is what we try to maintain in our sales document type. This is nothing but a parameter. Parameter used for pricing procedure determination. That's going to be taken as one of the parameter for pricing procedure determination. And it is going to be maintained in our sales document type. And the transaction code where you are going to be creating this one is going to be VOV8. VOV8 over here. There's a place where we go for creation of it. VOV8. So here we've already seen for few of the like what it need to be maintained up. What it need to be maintained up. Like I'm just trying to open okay. For standard document type, if you're trying to work out with OR as a standard document type, we're trying to maintain this particular field by rule A. Rule A for standard document type. When you're trying to work out with FD document type, it will be maintained as C. Your document is going to be free from pricing. For value contracts, we have a document type WK1. For WK1, we try to maintain it as Y, value contracts. For different document types, we try to maintain different document pricing procedure. So this is going to be taken as one of the parameter for our pricing procedure determination. This is going to be taken as one of the parameter for pricing procedure determination. Okay, so based on document types, what should be the document pricing procedure which need to be displayed? It can be maintained up. And then we have this customer pricing procedure. We have this customer pricing procedure. Now this customer pricing procedure, this also is going to be taken as a parameter. Parameter used for pricing procedure determination. This one also is going to be used as a parameter for pricing procedure determination. And this information we try to maintain in our customer master. So in customer master, if we get into sales area data, under sales tab, we try to maintain that information. Okay, we try to maintain that information. Like here, always this field is going to be maintained by a value called as 1. Standard pricing is going to be applicable for this. We try to maintain it as 1. Standard pricing is going to be applicable. And followed by our pricing procedure. So yesterday we have created one creation of pricing procedure. We created it on the price. And there's a description what I maintain for that. And then we have a condition type. Now, what is the functionality of this condition type is what we need to know. Functionality of condition type. So this is going to be executed using a transaction code v/08. v/08. Now, combination of all these parameters put together, our pricing procedure is going to be getting copied up. Now, normally how to show you, like let me try to do something. Okay, now when you try to go for creating an order, YAOR, so I'm just trying to pick up that one, YAOR, YSAM. Now, once to maintain our material over here, along with order quantity. Now, if you want to know what is the pricing procedure using which we are trying to record this particular transaction, we normally get into item data. Under that item data, if you get into conditions tab, so we know this is a place where we try to maintain the price of the product. Now, what we do now over here, you need to click on analysis to find out what is the pricing procedure we are working it out. And pricing procedure, as of now, we are using RVAA01. So this is the standard pricing procedure. We are working it out. It's a standard pricing procedure. So I don't want to use a standard pricing procedure. I want to work with a customized one. So we need to replace the standard with a customized one over here. We need to replace the standard with a customized one. Now, how to replace the standard with a customized one over here? That's what we need to know. So for that only, we are trying to work out with this pricing procedure determination. Combination of all these parameters put together, our pricing procedure is going to be getting copied up. Now, here, to maintain this determination, I'm trying to basically get into OVKK transaction code. Click on enter. And this how the screen is going to be looking. Combination of sales area, document pricing, customer pricing, what is the pricing procedure, and the condition type maintained. So in this particular screen, simply click on position and select the sales area. Because we try to assign our pricing procedure against sales area. You can see for our sales area, we have a standard pricing procedure which has been assigned till now. So I'm just trying to rename it. I'm just trying to delete this particular pricing procedure and just trying to change it to the customized one. Hmm? And where is our customers one? Okay, let me check this one. Okay, let me try to quickly create one. Forgot to save this particular pricing procedure, maybe. Okay, so there's our pricing procedure. Now we need to activate it. So if you get into OVKK, try to select position and select the sales areas maintained using this particular sales organization. and try to replace this one. So I'm just trying to replace the standard with the customized one. For different combinations, you can do this one. For different combinations, you can do this one over here. Till now, we were trying to work with the standards. Now we are trying to replace the standard with the customized one over here. So maintain it and save this one. Okay, that's what you need to do it. That's what you need to do it. So whenever you try to create an order using any of these particular sales area, so this is the pricing procedure which is going to be getting copied up. That is what we are trying to maintain it over here. That is what we are trying to maintain it. Now if you test it, so try to create an order. Now if you get into item data, so get into item data under conditions tab, click on analysis to find out what is the pricing procedure we are working it out. So you can see we have replaced the standard with the customized one. We have replaced the standard with the customized one over here. So that's how it's going to be working. That's how you're going to be working with this. Okay, so you are going to be replacing the standard with the customized one based on the requirement. So that's the first thing you need to be knowing up. So how we are going to be replacing the standard with the customized pricing procedure over here. How to replace the standard with the customized one. So here we are not working out with the standard, we are trying to work out with the customized one. So OBKK is going to be the transaction code where we are going to be assigning what is the pricing procedure we need to use for running the transaction when we are trying to record the transaction using any of this particular sales area. Now the thing is, like, we need to know with reference to one sales area, so how many pricing procedures can be assigned over here. So there's going to be the task. Just try to work it out and let me know. For one sales area, how many pricing procedures can be assigned? Can be assigned. Okay. So this is one interview question as well. And this one is widely used as well. So for one pricing procedure, like for one sales area, how many pricing procedures need to be assigned over here? Now we have one more thing over here. Now we need to know what exactly is the functionality of this particular condition type. Now why we are trying to assign condition type over here? What happens if we don't maintain it as well? What happens if you don't maintain it as well over here? Now see, right now you are able to see this condition type is assigned. And now if you try to go for creating an order, VL01, so sold to party, Enter our product order quantity. If you get into item data, conditions tab, so we are getting this mandatory condition PR00 is missing, that's fine. We try to maintain our condition type and we try to update the price information as well over here. That's fine. Okay, this is what normally we do it. Now, what I'm trying to do, I'm just trying to remove this particular condition type over here. I'm just trying to remove this condition type. I'm leaving that particular field as blank. Now try to save it. Now once again, try to create an order and see how system is going to be responding to that particular change. So VA01. So I'm maintaining my sold party information over here. Maintain the required values. Now see, so entering the same material, same order quantity. Now if you get into item data once again, get into conditions tab. We are getting the same thing. Mandatory condition PR00 is missing. Now, what exactly went wrong? Why we are getting this particular message over here? How it need to be fixed up is what we need to know it. Okay, so if you maintain condition type over here, you get the same thing. If you don't maintain the condition type also, we are getting the same message. How it need to be fixed up over here. What is the use of assigning condition type in this particular field? What is the use of assigning condition type in this particular field? Okay, now if you maintain condition type over here, we can maintain the price of the product in the overview screen. We can maintain the price in the overview screen. Means where? Now see. So if you maintain the condition type, save this one. Now if you create an order once again. Okay, create an order. So no need for the user to get into item data to update the price. So user can maintain the price over here itself in this particular screen. Now enter the material, order quantity. Now to update the price, come down again this particular line item. If you come down again this particular line item, you can see a field by the name condition type and you can maintain the amount over here. You can maintain the amount. So let's say 25,000 is the amount what I'm trying to maintain it over here. Okay, all done. Okay, now see, so if you click on item data now, so if you get into item data, conditions tab, whatever price we maintain in the overview screen has been copied up over here. Has been copied up over here. That's what you mean by this. In case if you don't assign condition type, if you leave this particular field as blank, if you don't assign condition type and try to save it. Now what happens? Again, I'm trying to create an order. So enter our material, order quantity. Now I've tried to maintain the price over here itself. So again, this particular line item, try to maintain the price now. And you can see condition type itself is not getting displayed. And in case if you try to maintain the price, it will be not accepted up. You cannot maintain the price over there. So to maintain the price, always user need to get into item data itself. You need to get into item data, conditions tab, and he need to maintain the price over here itself. That's how it works out. So to maintain the price of the product in the overview screen, we call this one as an overview screen. So to maintain the price in the overview screen, we need to make sure we assign condition type over here. We try to assign condition type over here. So that is the functionality. That is the functionality of assigning condition type in our pricing procedure determination. This is basically to maintain the price of the product. To maintain price of the product in the overview screen. We try to assign it. And it is not mandatory that you need to assign only PR00 as a condition type over here. You can assign any condition type. It's not that you need to assign PR00 as a condition type. If you want to maintain discount condition type, you can assign discount condition type. Any condition type can be assigned. Whatever condition you want to enter it in the overview screen, that condition need to be entered over here. That condition need to be entered over here. Okay, so that is a functionality. So here by default, I'm trying to maintain it. If you don't want, you can ignore it. So this is how it's going to be working. That's how it's going to be working. Condition type maintenance. Okay, so this is the concept. So this is what they try to ask you in the interview. Like, what is the functionality of condition type in pricing procedure determination? This is basically to maintain the price in the overview screen. We are trying to maintain it. Okay. Now, the next thing we need to know over here. So in case if you want to create your own document pricing procedure or own customer pricing procedure, now where to go and how to create it. Where to go and how to create it. So I'm just trying to show you the path for this. So if you get into SPRO, IMG screen, under this IMG, try to get into sales and distribution module. Under this sales and distribution, we're working with basic functions. And under this basic functions, pricing. So when you expand this pricing control. So expand this pricing control over here. Sorry. Yeah, under pricing control, you can work with this particular step. Define and assign pricing procedures. Define and assign pricing procedures. So when you click on it, define and assign pricing procedures. So here, this is a place where you try to create a pricing procedure. The one which we have discussed till yesterday class, B/08. And if you want to create your own customer pricing procedure, you can go for it. So if you click on it, customer pricing procedure. So we try to maintain one in our customer master. One in our customer master. Standard pricing is going to be applicable. Okay. In the same way, if you just come back, document pricing procedure. So you can double click on it and you can create your document pricing procedures. So right now we are working with a standard. We have BC, which is use it for free. If your document is going to be free from pricing, then we have another one by the name Y, which stands for value contracts. These are all going to be the standards one. These are all going to be the standard ones. Okay. Now this is a place where you can create it. Right now we are not trying to create any new. It's not required. If required, we are going to be creating it. Now once you create it, now where to assign it. So we have this particular option. Assign document pricing procedure to our ordered document types. Assign it to our ordered document types. So here, if you click on it, so we need to select our document types over here. So right now we are working with YAOR. So against YAOR, you can assign this document pricing procedure. You have seen this document pricing procedure over here. Okay, so for which document type you want it, you can do that assignment. You can see it has been maintained up over here. Okay, and this is the most important step as well. Assign document pricing procedure to the billing document types. Now, why we are going to be assigning to our billing document types? Now, what is the reason for that? So normally what happens when we try to go for creating an order, we maintain the price. Okay, in order we maintain the price maintained. And with reference to this order, what we do, we try to work out with our delivery. So we try to call this concept as an outbound delivery. And in outbound delivery, we are not going to be maintaining any kind of price information because the sales order is with reference to which partner function, sold party. The sold party need to know at what price it's trying to purchase it. Whereas this outbound delivery with reference to ship to party information. Outbound delivery is always going to be with reference to ship to party. Okay, so when you try to create this outbound delivery, pricing is not mandatory. Pricing is not maintained over here because ship to party no need to know at what price company has purchased the stock. They just need to receive the stock. Okay, and with reference to this outbound delivery, what we do, we try to work out with our billing concept. We try to work out with the billing concept over here. Okay, and this billing is going to be with reference to which partner function, payer. So payer need to know the pricing. Pricing is maintained. So in our bill, pricing is maintained. Now, how you're trying to do this one, how you're going to be telling the system, because if you're trying to do your billing with reference to delivery, now how price is getting copied? The price is getting copied from our order. So here we need to tell the system to copy the price from order document to billing document. Copy the price information from order document to billing document. So how it need to be done? With the help of this document pricing procedure, we are going to be doing it. With the help of document pricing procedure, we are going to be performing it. Okay. So what we try to do, we are trying to assign a document pricing procedure A to our document type by AOR. Same document pricing procedure is going to be assigned to what? To our billing document type, which is going to be F2. We are going to be assigning it to our F2 as well. So what happens by doing this one? Whatever price you maintain in order is going to be getting copied up in our billing document over here. Whatever price you maintain in the order is going to be copied in our billing document. That's how it works out. So you need to tell the system from where to where the values need to be copied. So this is going to be one of the parameters used for that. So this is also going to be an interview question, like how to copy. So how to copy price into billing document. How to copy the price into billing document. So for that, first one, you need to assign document pricing procedure. You need to assign document pricing procedure to billing document types and sales document type. That's the first setting you need to maintain. And second setting, we need to maintain copy controls. Maintain copy controls between sales document type and billing document type. Okay, so how to copy the price into billing document? First, you need to assign document pricing procedure to what? To billing document types and the sales document type. That's the first setting. And then you need to maintain copy controls between what and what? Between sales document type and the billing document type over here. This is what you need to do. This is what you need to do. And to maintain this one, we use a transaction code called as VTFA. It's a T code used. VTFA. Okay. So this is the most important thing. So like we have not worked out with the copy control, so I can't explain it right now, but in later classes, you will be able to follow this one, how it's going to be working it out. Okay. These are the two things you need to know, how price is going to be getting copied from order to billing with the help of copy controls, what we try to maintain in the backend. So there's one important thing. So that is the reason we try to assign this document pricing procedure to our billing document types. So if you click on it, select our billing document type, which is going to be F2. Against this F2, you need to make sure this field is active, document pricing procedure. Maintain this particular field, document pricing procedure over here. Okay. So there's one thing we need to work it out, and this is nothing but your OVKK transaction code. OVKK. So these are the things which you need to know when you're working with the activation. So how to activate our pricing procedure in sales document, and what is the functionality of this document pricing procedure, customer pricing procedure, what is the use of this condition type, why it need to be maintained, and how it works out. These are the things which you need to know. Okay. Now, once you know all these things, now we can start working out with the testing functionality. Now that testing, we try to take it up tomorrow because there's going to be too much for today's class. A lot of things we are trying to discuss it. So tomorrow class, we completely do our testing, see whatever configuration we have done seems to be working properly or not. And then we start working out with the scenarios based on that. Okay. Right, guys. So let me stop it over here as of now. And we try to take it up tomorrow and we work it out.